So before starting the test, the battery is at 100%. I'll be including the timestamps in the description so you can simply jump to that section. First, I'll be playing Call of Duty and testing the temperature. Initially, it's at 34 degrees. These are the graphical settings I'll be playing on. Let's see how this game performs. So as you can see, there are no frame drops and the game ran pretty smoothly, and testing the temperatures, it reached to a maximum of 40, which is warm but definitely nothing to worry about. Next, let's play FAU-G, and I've maxed out the settings. As you can see, it's on Ultra. So I've been playing this game for quite some time and I think it's pretty ordinary. What do you guys think? I think the combat style is pretty much the same. There's little to no control. All you have to do is tap this one button constantly and you eventually defeat your enemy. Of course, the weapons makes beating your enemies easier, but that's pretty much it. So here are a few tips, guys. If there are multiple enemies surrounding you, you need to first knock out the guards with weapons, because those are the ones who damage your health by a lot. You can use the navigation pad to target the guard you wish to take out. So here I defeated the final boss, and yeah, I think the storyline is great, but apart from that, pretty much everything else is ordinary.
बस एक काम करना बाकी है, इसे इसकी सही जगह पहुंचाना है। रवि, करण, सुनील और जावेद के लिए वो इसे घर वापस पहुंचाने के लिए शहीद हुए। सर, आज आपने मेरी जान बचाई है। समझ नहीं आता मैं आपका शुक्रिया कैसे अदा करूं। मुझे शुक्रिया मत करो रहमत, फौजी यही तो करते हैं। जहां भी भारतीय ध्वज लहराता है वहां हम अपनों की हिफाजत करते हैं। मुझे गर्व है मैंने आपके साथ इस देश की सेवा की है सर। अभी काम खत्म नहीं हुआ है, अभी तो बहुत कुछ करना बाकी है।
So as you can see, the game ran pretty smoothly. Temperatures again rise to a maximum of 40. So it's safe to say that there are no heating issues even after over an hour of continuous gameplay. Looking at the battery percentage, it dropped to 80% after close to 1.5 hours. So the battery performance is decent, I would say. Not bad, but not great either. It's acceptable, but on the bright side, this phone can pretty much handle any game without any performance or heating issues. I'll be testing the camera of this phone in the coming days, and I'll be performing some other tests as well. So more videos are coming very soon. In the meanwhile, check the video on the screen and I'll see you in that video.